reception, a glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you just might find you get what you need. Oh yeah, you get what you need. So I went down to the demonstration to get my fair share of abuse, saying we're gonna vent our frustration, and if we don't, we're gonna blow a 50 amp fuse, saying now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you just might find you get what you need. Truly, yeah. So I went down to the Chelsea drugstore to get your prescription filled. I was standing in line with Mr. Jimmy. A man did it look pretty ill. We decided to have a soda. What's your favorite flavor? Cherry red. And I sung my song to my friend Jimmy, and he said one word back to me, and that was dead. And I said, now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, yeah, you just might find you get what you need. Wow. Oh yeah. 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 Oh yeah. You get what you need. Come on, Ronnie. Always get. Now you can't sing it with me. Sing it. Now you can't. What you want?